Welcome to my channel Global Car, your ultimate destination for the latest car news, reviews, and futuristic auto innovations. If you love exploring the next generation of vehicles, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting updates. The 2026 Kia K5 has arrived, and it's here to redefine what a mid-size sedan can be. Kia has taken the K5's sleek, sporty DNA and infused it with cutting-edge technology, refined power, and modern luxury. The 2026 model showcases a bold front fascia with the sharper tiger nose grille, futuristic LED lighting, and a more aerodynamic silhouette that commands attention on every road. Under the hood, the 2026 K5 offers a range of powertrains, starting with a refined 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, and an upgraded 2.5-liter turbo option that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. Kia has also enhanced fuel efficiency and driving dynamics, giving you a perfect balance between performance and practicality. Step inside, and the interior welcomes you with premium materials, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused layout. The dual 12.3-inch curved displays merge infotainment and instrument data seamlessly, while the latest Kia Connect system offers smarter navigation, iVoice assistance, and over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system complete the tech-forward experience. Safety remains a priority with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and Kia's highway driving assist 2, all designed to keep you secure and confident on every trip. The 2026 Kia K5 isn't just a car, it's a statement of modern style and smart performance. Whether you're commuting or cruising, it promises to make every drive unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and future updates. See you in the next video.